Introduction to keyboard. So today we'll see what is keyboard. We'll try to explore keyboard. So basically a keyboard is an input device of your computer. It allows us to give instruction to computer using keyboard. Example, we can type numbers, we can type letters, we can even do selection of different types of icons, etc. Basically a standard keyboard has 104 keys. How many keys? 104 keys. So we have two types of keyboard. One is standard keyboard and one is multimedia keyboard. So what is the difference between a standard keyboard and a multimedia keyboard? A standard keyboard has function keys, a number keys, alphabet keys, special keys, etc. But what we have in multimedia keyboard extra, in multimedia keyboard we have more icons, like more keys. We have more keys like email. We can mute the sound, we can increase the sound. How we have for laptops, we can increase the sound, we can mute the sound, we can increase the brightness. Okay, those are extra keys we have for multimedia keyboard. That's why we say multimedia. Okay, so in multimedia keyboard we have these hotkeys. Basically a standard keyboard does not have this extra keys, but multimedia keyboard do have extra keys. A different multimedia keyboard may have different types of keys, shortcut keys. During the time of internet, we can use those keys. Okay, brightness, volume up down, etc. For a keyboard, we say it is a Qwerty keyboard. The name of the keyboard, we say Qwerty keyboard. The 6 letters of the keyboard, the first 6 letters of the keyboard, Q W E R T Y, Qwerty keyboard. We say it is a Qwerty keyboard. Now we'll start exploring the keyboard. We'll start exploring the keys of the keyboard. The first we have function key. The top portion we have the function key. Then we have number keys. Then we have numeric pad, navigation keys, and typing keys. So function keys starts from F1 to F12. The top keys of the keyboard are called as function keys, F1 to F12. Every key has different function. Then we have alphabet keys, A to Z. We have alphabet keys. So why alphabet keys are used? Basically alphabet keys are used to type. We type certain things. We type a letter. Without alphabet keys, can we type? No, we cannot type. So we use alphabet keys. Then we have number keys. Say suppose I want to write number 1 to 10 or 1 to 100. Okay, so we use number keys. Can we use alphabet keys to write numbers? No, we should have numbers keys. So we have number keys. Then we have arrow keys, up, down, left, right. Why these arrow keys are used? Arrow keys are used to move the cursor, up, down, left, right, the cursor. The blinking line, okay, that we call as a cursor. Okay, it moves. It helps you to type. So we can move that cursor, up, down, left and right. Then we have cap lock key. Why we use cap lock key? Cap lock key is basically used to type alphabets in capital letters. Okay, the moment you press cap lock key, you will get a LED indicator towards the right. A light will glow on the keyboard. The moment light glows on the keyboard, that means you can type using capital letters. So cap lock is basically used to type in capital letters. And we have control keys. Basically it controls the computer using these keys: control key, alt key, windows key, print screen, scroll lock. Okay, so these are control keys. Then we have numeric pad. So how we have calculator? Basically Similar way, we have a numeric pad on a keyboard. We can type numbers, we can calculate, we have plus sign, we have minus sign, we have enter. Okay, so numeric pad basically is used for typing numbers. Then we go for backspace. What is the use of this backspace? It's a big key. What is the use of backspace? Basically, a backspace is used to cancel whatever we type towards the left. Say suppose I type our name, and say suppose by mistake I put one letter extra, so that extra letter I want to erase it. So with the help of backspace I can remove the letter. Then we have enter key. What is the use of this big key, enter key? Enter key is used to go on to the next line. Say suppose I type something. Okay, what is a keyboard? Now I want to write answer, so I want to go on the next line. So I press enter key and I type the answer. Then we have a spacebar key, the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, which is the longest key on the keyboard? Spacebar key. This is the longest key on the keyboard. So why this key is used? This key is used to keep a space between two words. Okay, what is a keyboard? So there is a space. Now what is, between what and is there is a space. So how to put the space? After what, we just press spacebar and we keep a space between two words. Then we have special keys and shift key. Special keys are star, then arrow key, minus key, plus key, and key, dollar, at the rate, these are called as special keys, comma, dot. With the help of shift key, combination key, we can use this special keys. Then we have other keys like delete, end, up, page down. Okay, these are called as other keys. And we have towards the top right portion, we have three LEDs. One, we have cap locks. The first one, we have num lock. What is the meaning of num lock? Basically, a num lock is a numeric pad to enable numeric pad. If I don't want the numeric pad, I can put it off by pressing num lock. The LED will not glow. The num lock will get activated, means we can type using this numbers with the help of num lock key. The moment you press num lock key, LED light of num lock will glow. That means you can use num lock key. The next LED light we have, that is cap lock key. We can type using capital letters. And the third one is a scroll lock. We can lock the page. That's it, students. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.